All right, here we go again. It's ellipse time. All right, remember ellipse. Ellipse, you need a center, you need a foci, you need a vertex. You need to know that this distance right here is C. You need to know that from the center to the other vertex is A. And from the center up to the top on the minor axis, this is B. Remember this? The focus is here. This distance is, this is A. This is B, and this is C. So we have that nice Pythagorean relationship, right? Okay, so we use all that to write the equation. When you write the equation, always know the center of the ellipse, okay? All right, here we go, number 16. Number 16 is center, 2, -2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Vertex, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down 2. Vertex, center, focus, 4, -2. Focus, vertex, center. Oh, this is the major axis. Well, on the other side, here's the C value, by the way, which is a length of 2. Back up here, this is the other focus. And then since your A value is from 2 to 7, that means A is 5. So you back up 5. 5 from the center. Okay, I have 2. This is already 2, 3, 4, 5. You're sitting about here. I know you don't have to graph this. You have to write the equation. So I'm just doing this. I need the A value from center to the vertex. I already know it's 5. What I don't know is B. But I do know C. So to get this, I'm going to go what? 5 squared. A squared equals B squared. Don't know B. Plus C squared. C is 2. I'm getting 25 minus 4, 21. B squared is 21. Hey, that's all I need to know. I just need to know what B squared is. Now that I know that, I can just write the equation. X minus the center. The center of this thing is what? 2, -2. So it's going to be x minus 2 squared, y minus 2 plus 2 squared. Question is, A is 5, since that's the major axis, and the major axis is going horizontally, we will put it under x. So 5 times 5 is 25. What was B squared? If you look up again, guys, it's 21. I believe. I'm going to check myself. It is 21. Okay, we're done. That's it. Right there. Okay, number 17. 17 is what? Foci, 5, 1, and 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 5. Okay, and -1, 1. Oh, right here. Okay, so there it is. Next, length of the major axis is 8. Well, it'd be nice to know the center, and the center has to be dead center between -1 and 5. Well, since the distance between the two is 6, half of 6 is 3, I'm going to back up 3. I'm going to go forward 3, and guess what? Right there, that's the center. The center is 2, 1. Now, if the major axis is 8, that means half of 8, which is 4, would be the A value. So from the center out 4, so that would be all the way to 6. That's the vertex. Go back one more, that's the other vertex. Okay, kind of got a mess here. I can see right now that the center to the foci is C. That is a distance of 3. C is 3. I can see from the center to the vertex is 4. What I don't know is B, so I gotta go get B. Square of the A, 9. Square of the C, 16. Am I doing something wrong here? I am. Going too fast. Sorry. A is 4. Oh, here's A. That's A. C is 3. Okay, I got this reversed. My fault. Happens. 16 plus 9. Get rid of that. You get square root. No, 7. So B squared is 7. All right. So here's the deal. I have it all. I'm ready to go. The major axis is horizontal. So the A will go under the X. And A is 4, so 4 squared is 16. B squared is 7. It's going to be X minus Y minus what? 2, 1. So put a 2 in, put a 1 in, and we're done. That's it. Got a little messy. Sketch it and you should be okay. All right, 18. 18, the vertices are 7, 0, and negative 7, 0. Okay, there. Okay, this right here, since these are vertices, this should tell you A is 7. It should also tell you center. The center is 0, 0. They talk about the eccentricity. Eccentricity is just C over A. They tell you the eccentricity is 4 sevenths. Oh! You already knew A was 7. Now you know C is what? 4. It's right here. C is 4. A is 7. So they're giving you A. They're giving you C. You just need to go find your B. Your B value will be A squared equals B squared plus 16. B squared equals 33. There's your B squared. That's all you really needed. Write the equation to this ellipse. Well, we know vertex to vertex going through the center is horizontal. It's a horizontal major axis. Your A, 7, has to go under the X. 49. Your B squared is 33. Excuse me. Your center is 0, 0, so it's just minus 0, minus 0. I didn't even have to do that. It's just X squared over 49. There it is. That's it. Okay, next, 19. Here is X squared over 9 plus Y squared over 25 equals 1. Well, just looking at this, this is A, 5, this is B, 3, which tells me this is a major axis that's vertical. I can also look at X squared and just Y squared and pick out the center. The center is 0, 0. The vertices have to be, well, it says here 5 for A, so you go 5 up, 5 down, because it's a major vertical axis. 5 up, 5 down. 0 up 5 and down 5. Then you go, let's see here, the B value doesn't really tell us much, but with that we can get basically the C value. C squared equals what? 25 minus 9, 16. C is 4. So with C being 4, I will, to get the focus, just move up 4, down 4. Up 4, down 4 will get you that. Find the vertices, the foci, center, sketch it. Just a quick sketch. It would be something like this. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, focus. 5, vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, focus, vertex. B value. The B value was 3, so I know I'm going out 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There it is. 5 up, 5 down, 3 right, 3 left. Good. That was 19. Now go to 20. 20. Okay. This one is going to be, this one's already looking pretty good. It's just that that is no good. You don't want a 9. So you're going to make this a 1. Divide by 9, divide by 9, divide by 9. The 9s are out. This 9 gives you 1. You get x minus 1 squared over 9. Y plus 4 squared over 1. Bigger numbers under the x, so the A is 3, and it's under x, so it's a major horizontal. Okay. The B is 1, and the C would be, what would it be? It'd be 9 for A squared equals B squared. C squared, you're going to get C squared equals 8, or C equals 2 square root of 2. So, looking at this, I would have to say the vertex is, didn't mean it, sorry, center is, what? 1 comma negative 4. That's a center. Let's see here, what else? We've got the vertex. The vertex, well, the vertex is 3, and because it's a horizontal, well, I got to sketch this anyways. I better do that. 1, negative 4. Okay, this is a horizontal, so horizontal major, so we got to go 3 to the right, vertex, 3 to the left, vertex. So the vertex are, there's 1, there's 4, there's negative 2. You're getting 4 comma negative 4 and negative 2 comma negative 4. And the foci. The foci is, says here for C, go this direction. 2 square root of 2 or minus 2 square root of 2. So as you move this way, foci. As you move this way, foci. What are these numbers? Well, wouldn't it just be the center? Add 2 square root of 2 to the x value. The x value is 1 plus 2 square root of 2, comma, negative 4. And 1 minus 2 square root of 2, comma, negative 4. So really, just add the c to the 1 and subtract the c from the 1, and you'll get the foci. Keep the negative 4 though. I mean, the y doesn't change. If you did the sketch now from the center, you'd go up whatever b is. B is 1, up 1. Ooh, look at that. It's a skinny little thing, isn't it? And then down 1. This thing is really skinny. It's very, very elliptical. And there you go. That was it. All right. 21. Uh-oh, 21, it's not in standard form. We have to complete the square. So let me do this quick. 9x squared plus 36x plus, I'm going to separate the y's, so minus 2y. Bring the 44 over. There it is. Do not complete the square until you factor out the leading coefficient. blank. This one, okay. This one's pretty easy. This one right here, I guess. Negative 2 over 2, square it. You get one, negative 1, 1. That's 1. So you have to add 1 to this side. This one, when you do it, take the 36. Did I do that wrong? I did. Sorry, this is not 36. This is, take a 9, 4. Now take the 4, cut it in half, square it. You get 2 squared is 4. But you're not adding 4, you're adding 9 times 4. That's 36. All of that makes 81. On the right side, you get 81. On the left side, you get 9 times a binomial squared, and then another binomial squared. This one's y minus 1. This one is x plus 2. This is not quite right until you divide by 81 to get 1. Divide by 81 and 81. You will get x plus 2. 9's out, 81 becomes 9. This one does not cancel. This one is y minus 1 squared over 81. Hey, the a is under the y. The b is under the x. So to me, since a is under y, this is a major going up and down. The center is negative 2, 1. And from the center, you'd go up 9. I'm going to make sure I'm doing this right before I keep going. Yes, I have it right. Okay. You go up 9 to get to the vertex. That would be way up here at 10, I believe. And you're up 9, so this is your vertex. And you go down 9, and you'd be way down here at negative 8. Right? So here we go. Your center is negative 2, comma 1. Your vertices are up 9. We'll add 9 to the 1 and get 10. Subtract 9 from the 1 and get negative 8. The foci, you don't know the foci because you can't see the c value. So to get c, take a squared, 81, b squared, 9, plus c squared. This will be what? 72 c squared equals that. C equals, so that's going to be 6 square root of 2. Because that's 36 times 2. Right? So the foci would be up from here, how far? 6 times the square root of 2. I don't know where that ends up. 6 down 6 square root of 2. Foci. And you would get, let's go up. So the foci would be the same as the center. The center will, the x value won't change, but the y value will go up 6 square root of 2 and down 6 square root of 2. The b value is 3, so go 1, 2, 3, right here. Uh-oh, I'm losing it. 1, 2, 3. I can't really make this one look good. And there it is. Sorry, that's a bad looking ellipse, but that's, I had to go out 3 and to the right 3. Good? All right, last problem, I think. Last problem. If you've already read it, I'm not going to read it to you. You have a whispering gallery. Just where everybody wants to hang out in a whispering gallery. You have the room itself is 144 wide. If you stand somewhere around here and then your friend stands somewhere around here around the foci, You are 24 feet apart. So this from here to here is 24. And what we did on this one is I just put the vertex right here, ran in the y-axis, the x-axis this way, called this 0, 0, led me to believe this is 12, 0, which leads me to believe this is negative 12, 0. Also, this would be 72, 0, along with negative 72, 0. And the height of the dome, I believe that's the question. How high is the dome of the room? Okay, so looking at this, I would go center to the foci, 12. I would say C is 12. I would say center to the edge of the ellipse. That's A, 72. And what I want is B, because B is actually up the minor to the top of the dome. To be honest, that's the answer. How high is the dome? So if I can find B, I've found it. So it's going to be A squared equals B squared, which is the answer as soon as I solve for B, plus C squared. 72 squared, take away 12 squared equals B squared. B equals the square root of this. I got roughly 71 feet. Roughly. That's B. And since B is the minor axis, you go from the center of your ellipse up B, you get 72 feet up. Guys, I think I made a mistake. I think it's 71. I think it's 71. Yeah, it's 71. Sorry. The answer is 71. 71 feet high. There's the answer. Woo! We made it. We made it. So, if you want a bonus point, write your name on the quiz tomorrow and write this number. 510210 and 040. Write that number on your quiz and you will get 1 bonus point. That tells me you at least listen to this audio. Okay, thank you very much. We are out of here.